During the Senate Banking Committee hearing, which is often a chance for senators to tout their own individual interests, Yellen was asked about everything from gold prices to too big to fail banks, as well as whether or not the stock market was in a bubble. She made plain she would press forward with the Fed's ultra-easy monetary policy until officials were confident a durable economic recovery was in place that could sustain job creation.
I consider it imperative that we do what we can to promote a very strong recovery. We're doing that by continuing our asset purchase program, which we put in place with the goal of assuring a substantial improvement in the outlook for the labor market.
In balanced remarks delivered in a calm demeanor, Yellen said the bond purchases couldn't last forever, but she gave no hints of when the Fed would scale back its stimulus program, saying, as her boss did, that depends on future data.
She seems to be very unsatisfied with the labor market situation. Yellen believes that there is a significant underutilization of the labor force. There's room for improvement on that front, and that what provides the Fed with more than enough flexibility to continue to supply stimulus.
The hearing didn't do anything to dispel Yellen of a dovish reputation. Republican Senator Bob Corker, who voted against her nomination as Fed vice chair, made her look like the WC Fields of tightening interest rates.
How many rate increases you have voted for during your term on the Federal Reserve?
I believe 20 or more.
20 or more. I think it was maybe 27 or so.
It could be.
And how many have you voted against?
None.
Okay.
Yellen admitted that the stimulus may have boosted stock prices, but she didn't see a bubble in equities or real estate. Investors liked what they heard. Stocks, which were flat just before her testimony began, shot up nearly 0.5% during her 2 hours on the stand. Bonds also rose. Despite worries among some Republicans that she might not be tough enough on inflation, analysts predict she'll win confirmation without any drama. It's not clear when lawmakers will debate and vote on her nomination. Nonetheless, a win will indeed make the former economics professor the world's most powerful woman in the history of finance.